Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to make mango fruit truffle. You should surely try it out and you will love it. Let's start. First of all, you need 1 packet of whipping cream. This is the powdered one. This is the company that we used here. Now in the whipping cream, add half cup of milk and beat well. Next here I have taken a thick cream. Add half cup of the thick cream. The rest can be used later. Now beat well until it stiff peaks. Something like this. You can see the texture of it. It doesn't drip off. Now let's move on to the next. Take a blender and here these are 3 mangoes which are sliced like this. Now add them in the blender. The cream that we added half, now we're gonna add it half here. Now add sugar according to your taste as much as you require. Now add little milk so that it can blend. Now this will turn into a thick puree. Add it in a small bowl. And the rest you have to add milk and just blend it again to make it a shake. Now here this is fruit cocktail. Next you'll need a chocolate cake. It can be also homemade or store made. So I had the store made one and I cut it in slices and placed them like that on the tray. Now this is the juice of the cocktail fruit can that we opened earlier. Just spread it all along the cake. Now add the mango shake over the cake and some mango cubes. Now this is the puree added in the whipping cream. Now mix it well. Now again add the mango shake over the fruits. Some more fruits and also the cocktail. At last with the whipping cream you can decorate as much as you want. Now our yummy mango truffle is ready to eat. Subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.